Powerful Python feature, Decorators, in the simplest way possible. No jargon, just pure understanding. Imagine you have a function that says hello. You want to log whenever it's called. Instead of changing that function, you wrap it using a decorator. So what is a decorator in Python? A decorator is a function that modifies or enhances another function without changing its code. My decorator func receives the function you want to decorate. Inside it, the wrapper adds behavior, a print statement, before calling func. At my decorator is shorthand for say hello equals my decorator say hello. So when you run say hello, it prints. Why use decorators? Decorators are perfect for logging when functions run, authenticating users, measuring execution time, adding caching, making cleaner, reusable code. They help you separate logic without touching the original function body. What if your function has parameters? You can still use decorators. Args and quargs allow the decorator to work with any number of arguments. It prints before running greet nova, which outputs